In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Paramount Plus on Smart TV. In order to do that, you first need to head over into your actual TV and determine your operating system. If you have an Android TV, you should be able to open or spot a Play Store or Google Play from there. Proceed to click on it in order to open it. However, if you have a different operating system such as Amazon TV, Roku TV, or LG TV, proceed to your designated app store and from in there you should be able to search for applications. Now let's click on the search bar. Now onto the search bar right here, proceed to search for Paramount Plus. Once you search for it, you should be able to find Paramount Plus right here. So just proceed to click on the Paramount Plus from there. Click on the install button that will appear, and once you have done that, you should be able to actually install this Paramount Plus on your TV and proceed to stream onto your device. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.